Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to adjust headlights on a Nissan Altima. First, park your vehicle on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and the fuel tank is at least half full for an accurate reading. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape to complete this task. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlight. Transfer this measurement to the wall, creating a horizontal line. Then, measure the distance between the centers of your headlights. Use this to mark two vertical lines on the wall, ensuring they align with your headlight centers. These marks will be your aiming points. Now, it's time to adjust the vertical aim. Open your hood and locate the vertical adjustment screw on each headlight assembly. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, turn the screw to move the beam up or down. Aim the top of the brightest part of the headlight beam just below the horizontal line you marked on the wall. Some Nissan Altima models also have a horizontal adjustment screw. Locate it if your vehicle has one. Adjust the horizontal aim so the brightest part of the beam is centered on the vertical marks. Once both adjustments are complete, take your Altima for a drive on a dark, level road to ensure the headlights provide optimal visibility without blinding oncoming drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.